Hulmewood Road is home depot to a delightful narrow-gauge train, the Apple Express. The station is the terminus of the historic narrow-gauge line to Aventure and is also the headquarters of the Apple Express Society, a volunteer group dedicated to the tradition of narrow-gauge passenger travel behind steam. The urban periphery of Port Elizabeth is a kaleidoscope of social environments. Facing each other across the tracks are the dwellings of the poor and the not-so-poor. The railway line, it seems, is a metaphor for the divisions within South African society. The Van Stadens River Bridge was highly regarded by the civil engineering fraternity of the day for its economy of construction. Given its strength and capabilities, it was a lightweight structure, nearly 200 meters long, but with a total weight of steel running to less than 600 tons. The line was built to hug the sides of the river valley, thus entailing a much higher cost per kilometre in earthworks than any other section of the Aventure system. The railway boasted over a kilometre of culverts, and for a narrow-gauge railway, a great many cuttings and embankments. The farmers of Hankey and Potensi at last had their railway, and they celebrated it with a great surge in production. Output from the valley steadily increased as frequent trains made their measured way through the patchwork of cultivation.